Hey everybody, this is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. I'm here standing in front of 125 North 110th Avenue here in Avondale. This is an absolutely gorgeous 4,053 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home with a 3-car garage and a pool. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As soon as you walk up to the entryway, you're immediately greeted by the beautiful plants and the arched, tall entry. Now this house has so much to it. You're gonna love it. So I'm gonna try to get through as much as we can, as fast as we can. So one of the great things about this home is immediately when you walk in, it has the wonderful architectural features and it's really open. That is one of the biggest benefits of a 4,000 square foot home, is all the space you get. Now, as you can see, it does have the somewhat traditional floor plan. There's your formal dining, and then you have the living room over there. But what's really cool about this is right off of that, you have what I would call the game room. You can have it as an exercise room. It can be a media room. You can see they have their TV over here. It's the perfect space. And right next to it is full bath. Now, as if that wasn't convenient enough, I guess for those of you who want a 5-bedroom, you could actually convert this to a bedroom if you wanted. But right off of the bathroom is access to the pool and the patio. So you can keep all the wetness away from the family room, and you can keep it nice and clean, and for gatherings and parties. I mean, it's just, this is perfect, right? So let's come back in, and next to the family room, or the living room and the dining room, is a guest bath, and then a coat closet on the other side. And as we continue through, and again, notice all the architectural details such as the archways. Now this brings us into the main living area. A custom tile. And your kind of eat-in kitchen there. And I love this kitchen. It is the perfect size. It has all the details, like the staggered cabinets, massive island in the middle, gas stove, perfect kitchen. And as we come around to the other side of the kitchen, some could call this a butler's pantry, but it doesn't lead to the dining room. You do have a walk-in pantry, a nice sized walk-in pantry. Now, everybody, don't want to get your hopes up. You're gonna see some beautiful cars, but they are not for sale. All right, yeah, you know, Paula's and beautiful trucks, but I have to point out the 3-car garage. Even installed a fan, and well, if you're a Redskins fan, that's perfect. If not, don't worry, you can repaint that. All right, so let's go ahead and go back inside. I won't take you upstairs. So upstairs, you got the nice wood flooring. Now, right off the steps, as if that wasn't loud enough, you have the loft. Now, this is a really cool floor plan. So you can see that's the entryway right on the other side of the wall there. Beautiful loft, perfect size. Now, right off the loft, you have the master. And look at it, you have the archway, French doors. And this is a really nice sized master bedroom. I guess I can continue saying nice size, but literally, it's everything in this house is the perfect size. Okay, I guess you could call that like a little seating area if you want. Now, of course, you would need your dual sinks, vanity in the middle. You got your garden tub, shower, water closet. Now, you actually have it's almost like a split closet here. You got one side, and then we'll step over, and whoop, there's the other side. Take a look back here. Back out to the bedroom. And you can see all the windows, natural light. It's even with the curtains. Okay, so as we come out, back to the loft, and we make a left, this is the hallway that leads to the bedrooms and the laundry room. So here you go, laundry room. Upstairs, can't argue with that. So convenient. How many steps do you think that saves you over the course of a couple years? All right, and to the left, you got your first guest bedroom and large guest bedrooms. And one of the other benefits of this home is every bedroom has a walk-in closet. They kind of vary in size, but they're all real walk-in closets. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. As we come on through the bedroom and make a right, you'll see that this is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. Very unique one at that. So they each have their own sinks, which is convenient. You got the the toilet with the cabinets, and you got the tub shower over there. And then we'll come out the other side, and this is the other bedroom. So there's the sink and mirror that goes with this bedroom. And here you go. Again, large bedrooms. I wish I had a bedroom this big when I was growing up. And like I said before, boom, walk-in closets. Didn't have a walk-in closet either. So, and then as we come out the second bedroom, we will enter the third guest bedroom. And sleep with fan, and here it is. This walk-in closet. Perfect. Okay, so when we come out and make a left, here you have the upstairs full guest bath. And then we'll slide around and boom, there's the loft. So it's a completely circular upstairs with access over there, and then you come out on this side. Well, there you have it, a tour of 125 North 110th Avenue. Just a reminder, 4,053 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage, pool, loft, everything you could possibly want in a home. If you want more information, give me a message, give me a call. I'm happy to help. And the price coming on the market is only $369.9. That's well under $100 a square foot. You cannot find these deals all over the place. So message me today. This is not going to last long. And there it is, your new home. Talk to you later.